Link's Reviews, and I'm Link, and we're going on another part of our journey to getting a Charizard V Secret, or Charizard V Max, or the full holographic Secret Suspicious Bhutan. Now, last part, we got a Wailord V, and a Graplock V. Pretty cool, but not what we were looking for. Let's see if we can continue on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. 10 packs here. Let's get it done. When I open these will now be 50 packs I've opened. 50 packs. That's halfway to 100. We should be getting close to pulling at least a Charizard V Secret. Code for you guys. 1, 2, 3, 4. Energy. Torpedo. Arbok. Taboo. Vulpix. Potion. Full Heal. Roly-Coly. Machop. Malmar. Zygarde. Nothing I haven't gotten before. Next pack. One of my friends just recently pulled a Dreadnought VMAX, so that'd be cool too to get. Alright. Code for you guys. 1, 2, 3, 4. Energy. Team Yell Grunt. Machoke. Rotom Bite. Vulpix. Galarian Rune. Full Heal. Purloin. Kakuna. Rotom Phone. We did it! Oh my god! We pulled it! Oh my god, guys! We fucking did it! Holy shit! Oh my god! We did it! Oh my god! We did it! Oh my god, we did it! We flippin' pulled it! Oh my god, we pulled the Charizard V Secret! Oh my god! Oh, we did it! Oh, that's $500, baby! $500! Oh my god! We pulled it! We flippin' did it! Oh my god! We pulled it on the second pack! Oh my god! We flippin' did it! Oh, oh my god! We flippin' did it! We flippin' did it, guys! We did it! Oh, oh, okay. Now the next one is this Charizard VMAX. Oh my god, we did it! Oh my god, we did it! And all it took was 42 packs of opening. Oh my god. Oh my god, guys, we flippin' did it! Alright, calm down, Corey. Calm down. Alright. There's a code for you. 4 cards to the back. Energy. Hatchrim. Rotophone. Turfuse Stadium. Atina. Swablu. Scraggy. Carvanha. Geller and Zigzagoon. Pokemon Center related. Reverse holographic. Hatchrim. Holographic. I can't believe we pulled that! Oh, with my luck, I thought I was gonna pull it like on my last of all the boxes, or the last pack on the 10th pack. Oh man! Oh boy! I can't believe we did that. Oh my god! I'm so lucky. I'm so lucky. I'm so flippin' lucky. There's a code for you. Energy. Suspicious Food Tin. Sonia. Ekans, Potion, Vulpix, Inkay, Reverse Holographic Full Heal, Holographic Altaria, last card. Oh man, nothing special in that one too much. But dang, I can't believe we pulled it on the second pack of this. I am unbelievably happy. Oh, man. Go. Oh, man. Energy. Machoke. Pokemon Center Lady. Hop. Weedle. Galar Laroon. Scraggy. Roly-Coly. Nickit. Reverse Holographic Zygarde. Marnie. Flippin' Marnie. Leave me alone, Marnie. I just want you to go away. I might honestly become addicted to pulling cards at this point. Code for you. Energy. Lipard. Biddy. Pyres. Inkay. Galar Zigzagoon. Trubbish. Full Heal. Sizzlepea. Galar Zigzagoon. Reverse Holographic. Galar Obstagon. Holographic. Not full holographic, but holographic. Oh, we've got 4 more packs to open, guys. 4 more packs. Code for you. 4 cards to the back. Energy. Suspicious Food Tin. Hyper Potion. Malmar. Rockruff. Potion. Pokeball. Carvanha. Ekans. Reverse Holographic Machop. And a Graplock V again! Man. That's 2 V cards in one. I just got this one too in the last one I did. Now all I need is another Charizard V Secret. I'd have literally 2 of every single V Max or V card that I have. That was probably the best packaging I did yet. Here we go, man. Card for you. I'm still so pumped about the Charizard V Secret, honestly. Every time. Energy. Vodafone. Malmar. Turffield Stadium. Roly-Coly. Galar Zigzagoon. Weedle. Purloin. Pokeball. Reverse Holographic Carvanha. Ooh, Lucario V, dude! That's another V! That's 3 V cards in one box! Oh my god! Oh, I am just lucky today! Jesus! Last one was a slight disappointment, but this one is like, woo! Alright, 2 packs. 2 packs. packs. Code for you. 4 cards. Energy. Victini. Arbok. Rotom Bike. Purloin. Machop. Nickit. Trubbish. Hatina. Galarian Obstagon. Zygarde. Nothing. But guys, I still can't believe we pulled that. I cannot believe it. Last pack, guys. Could this possibly be a Charizard VMAX in here? Or a Suspicious Food Tin Can Secret? If I pull either one of those, this is going to be one of the best days of my life. Honestly. Oh my god. This is already one of the best. It's already in the top 10, but Jesus. The emotion I'm feeling about might, no offense, might be more hyped up than when I got to 100 subscribers, to be completely honest. Sorry to my 100 subscribers when I got them, but like, wow. Code for you guys. 1, 2, 3, 4. Energy. Machoke. Tires. Malmar. Purloin. Kakuna. Trubbish. Patina. Inkay. Reverse Holographic Scrafty. Centiskorch. Ugh. Nothing I haven't gotten, or nothing that I wanted, but like, man, guys, I can't believe it. So, first up, we pulled a Graplock V again. Oh, wait, no, we pulled the Charizard V Secret, the Graplock V, and the Lucario V. We pulled all 3 of these cards. Can you flip and believe it? Can you flip and believe it? Oh my god. I'm so unbelievably excited. I cannot tell you. I might be completely hooked on pulling Pokemon cards now. This might be for sure once a week. Open up a box, but crazily enough, I did. Oh my god, it was absolutely amazing. If you like this video and you want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button to let me know that you like this video. Share this video with your friends to help this channel grow. Comment down below. And as always, my fellow collectors, have a nice day, and peace out. Pull the Charizard V Secret!